friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cute, a plant in a pot. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a rounded rectangle for our pot. Nice and smooth, just like this. Great job! Now let's make our pot super cute. Draw 2 little eyes and a smiley mouth right in the middle. Ah! Our pot looks so happy already. Next, let's draw some small circle-shaped pebbles on the top of the pot. Nice work, everyone! Time to draw the plant. First, let's make the stem going up. Then, let's add some branches on each side. And now, we'll draw lots of small leaves. Wow, it looks beautiful already. To make it extra cute, let's draw some small heart shapes around the plant. So sweet! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome! Isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. Let's get our color pens. Today, we'll use rainbow colors. Ready? Let's go together. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome job, friends! Our plant looks amazing in rainbow colors. You all did such a fantastic job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you next time, friends! Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.